How do I request a refund from Hotstar?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to request a refund from Hotstar, a popular streaming service. It's a straightforward process, and this guide will provide you with all the steps you need to follow.
Why might you need a refund?
You might need a refund from Hotstar for various reasons. Perhaps you were unsatisfied with the service, or you were mistakenly charged, or you simply changed your mind. In any case, it's important to know the process to request a refund effectively.
Understanding Hotstar's refund policy.
Before making a refund request, it's crucial to understand Hotstar's refund policy. As per their policy, Hotstar does not offer refunds on any subscription fees paid. However, there could be exceptions in certain circumstances.
Steps to request a refund from Hotstar.
Here are the steps you need to follow to request a refund. 1. Log into your Hotstar account. Start by logging into your Hotstar account from which you purchased the subscription. 2. Contact Hotstar customer support. Since there is no direct option on the Hotstar app or website to request a refund, the next step is to get in touch with Hotstar's customer support. 3. Explain your situation. Briefly explain to the customer service representative why you're seeking a refund. Be honest and concise. 4. Follow their guidance. Hotstar's customer support will guide you through the process, if a refund is possible according to their policy.
What to do if your refund request is denied?
If Hotstar denies your refund request, and you believe this decision is unfair, you might want to contact your bank or credit card company. They may be able to assist with a chargeback. That's all for today. We hope this guide helps you understand how to request a refund from Hotstar. Remember, it's always crucial to understand the terms and conditions of any service before purchasing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides.